Hi guys, Rahul Nigam here and welcome to my channel Engineers Power. In this video, I am going to tell you how to answer when an interviewer asks you, where do you see yourself in say 5 years from now? By asking this question, the interviewer wants to know if you have a long-term plan for your career. It can also be a useful way for the interviewer to find out if you see a medium to long-term future in the company you are interviewing with, or whether you want to gain a little experience and use it as a stepping stone to bigger and better things, since they have to be very sure that investment in you will be a strategic or tactical. Therefore, you have to be very careful while answering this question and make sure that you do not reveal too much. No employer wants to hire somebody and use time and money to train someone whose plan is to leave sometime in the near future. Employers need a person who has enthusiasm, a person who is a good investment. The first part of your response should mainly focus on the immediate position you are interviewing for and how excited you are about this opportunity. The second part should express your plans and expectations. You could say that you want to be successful in your position and be able to mentor new employees to be successful in the position too, maybe as a manager or supervisor. Now remember, do not exhibit ambitiousness to a point where it appears as if the job you are interviewing for is a mere stepping stone for you. Showing commitment is important here. Be realistic. Do not say you want to be the chief executive officer in the few years or something like that. You may answer like, for example, well, I am really excited about this opening. In the next 5 years, I would like to be recognized as an expert in this sector. This job will for sure provide me with a golden opportunity to do the same. Since I already have a few years of work experience, I am excited to take up managerial responsibilities in the coming few years. Besides, I have the potential to lead projects and if I am able to deliver, I am sure this organization will give me the chance to become one of the forerunners. I would like to mention that in the past, I have worked with some amazing managers. Under them, I have bloomed into a professional with great managerial skills myself. 5 years ago, I wanted to be where I am today. So 5 years from now, I want to set up a realistic goal for myself and also for my organization. I will keep the same fire alive within and I hope I will achieve my goal. In this way, you can simply answer this question. Now, please pay attention. There is a link in the description below of an ebook which contains top most asked HR interview questions with their winning answers. Go and grab this ebook. Trust me, it will really help you in all types of HR interviews. Also, write down your answer to this question in the comment section below and learn from others as well. Do like, share and comment. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel to get more valuable content like this. And don't forget to press the bell notification. All the best for all your interviews. Thanks for watching.